Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make image generation tool by Base44. We'll build a simple, polished AI image generator using Base44's natural language app builder, so you can go from idea to a working prototype in minutes. This is a great example of how AI-powered app builders can help you transform an idea into a functional product without needing to manually code every part of the application. Whether you're creating a creative tool, a design assistant, or just testing a new product idea, this workflow helps you quickly build and experiment with your concepts. First, open your browser and go to the Base44 app. Give it a second to load, and make sure you're on a stable connection so assets and previews render smoothly. Having a reliable connection is important because the platform needs to load the builder interface, generate previews, and process your app updates correctly. On the left sidebar, click Home to get to the main workspace. This is where Base44 collects quick start options and the tool we'll use next. The Home workspace gives you access to the main features, making it easier to start a new project or continue working on an existing idea. Find and click Describe the app. This feature lets you outline what you want in plain English, and Base44 assembles the interface and logic for you. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually creating layouts, buttons, and workflows, you simply explain your idea clearly, and the builder uses your description to create the foundation of your application. In the text box that appears, type a clear specification for this walkthrough. Enter. Create an AI image generator app with a text prompt input, a generate image button, an image preview gallery, a download button, and a dark modern UI. Keep the phrasing concise and specific, just like that, because clarity helps Base44 set up the right components without guesswork. When writing prompts for AI app builders, think about the key features your users need. Mention the main action, important interface elements, and the overall design style. A well-structured prompt usually gives you a much better first version. When your description looks good, click Submit. Base44 will process your request and spin up an app scaffolded based on those requirements. This can take a moment, so let it finish. The system is creating the layout, connecting the required components, and preparing the preview environment. You'll be taken to a preview where the interface is already arranged with the prompt input at the top, a prominent Generate button, a gallery area for results, and a modern dark theme in the preview. At this stage, you already have the foundation of your AI image generator. You can review the structure, test the workflow, and identify any changes you want to make before refining the final version. Click into the prompt field and type what you want the AI to create. Strong prompts usually include a subject, setting, style, and any important details. For example, a cozy mountain cabin at sunrise, cinematic lighting, detailed, high resolution. The more specific your description is, the easier it becomes for the image model to understand your creative direction. You can mention colors, emotions, environments, artistic styles, or even photography techniques, depending on the result you want. You don't need to overdo it. A single clear sentence works well. If you're experimenting, start simple, then refine with specifics like lighting, mood, or camera angle. A good workflow is to begin with the main idea first, then improve the output by adding one or two details at a time. This makes it easier to understand which changes are improving your results. Next, click Generate. The app will send your prompt to the image model behind the scenes and begin rendering. You may see a short loading indicator. Once complete, the preview gallery will populate with the generated image. If the result doesn't match your vision, adjust your prompt right in the same field and click Generate again to iterate. This process of testing and improving prompts is called iteration. Small wording changes can completely change the final output. So, experimenting is one of the best ways to learn how the image model responds. Subtle tweaks such as changing sunrise to golden hour or adding soft shadows can make a noticeable difference. You can also experiment with different styles, such as realistic photography, digital art, illustrations, product renders, or cinematic scenes depending on what you want your tool to create. As you explore the results, you'll see that the interface is already set up with a clean, dark look that keeps the artwork front and center, and the gallery makes it easy to compare variations. A good image generation interface should make the creative process simple. Users should be able to enter ideas quickly, view multiple results, and download or save their favorite creations without unnecessary steps. That's it. Your AI image generator is live in preview, built from a single description and ready for you to refine prompts and explore creative outputs. From here, you can continue improving the app by adding more features, adjusting the design, connecting additional tools, or customizing the experience for your specific users. This is the power of using AI app builders like Base44, turning ideas into working prototypes faster than ever.